Next up to the mic, please welcome Jamey P.
Yeah.
Round of applause for Jamey, please.
Where is he?
Good evening.
Yeah.
Sorry I'm late again. I left my brain at a rave upon the astral plane. Thanks for waiting. I appreciate your patience, and if you bear with me, I swear I'll make some changes I forget. Was it right or was it left, or just the speckled effects of a youth misspent, no regrets? See, I'm all out of debt, cause all the people I owe money to think that I'm dead, no stress. I'm feeling healthy mentally, and people keep on telling me that I look in my 20s. I don't battle no more, but it's best not to tempt me, test me, and get burnt like an effigy. MCs come 10 a penny, but not many are heavy. Every bar I pen's deadly, heads ain't ready. You ain't as bad as my pride, simply unspeakable. Fuck with my people and I'll give you a speaker full. Double-edged rebel, feral since young. Trouble with a pencil, got the devil on my tongue. You ain't nothing like me, I'm nothing like you. You stay the same while I change and improve. And I don't mean to be rude, but screw your point of view. And I just ain't in the mood to listen to your tunes. It's not about the views, dude, you got it all wrong. Cause 10 real heads are worth a million morons. I took a crooked path and couldn't find a way back, so I kept on moving and learned to adapt. I remain the same stranger wherever I may wander, and I don't give a flying fuck whatever people ponder. I used to get fucked too often, now I'm odd in the noggin, but I'll never end up bitter like a bottle of hobgoblin. I'll still be a stick spitter when I'm dodging fucking coffins. When I'm dodging fucking coffins. I left Earth in search of higher planes of escapism. Now my hazy eyes tell lies to my mind. Listen, I spit wisdom to a rhythm, rhyme with third eye vision. Stay driven and make the best out of the life I've been given. I don't dig religion, it's a cage for your mind. I keep my beliefs a secret and they change all the time. I make beats, write rhymes, and I don't fuck with karma, cause the UFOs know I've had my fair share of drama. Strange, eccentric, with a taste for the psychedelic. Reclusive, I find most human beings quite pathetic. I used to be depressed and I realised life is epic. Now I cherish every minute and never live to regret it. It's simple. You're only as strong as your signal. That's why I try to project vibes that make spines tingle. Every single one of us is pickled by life's riddle, so let's not pick sides, meet in the middle and mingle. And fuck the propaganda, the government keep feeding us. The powers that be, they don't seem to be hearing us. It looks like it's down to you and me to start healing us. So let's keep making noise and hope that somebody's feeling us. Open your peepers, wake up and smell the rubble. We're in trouble, but you can't see it through your bubble. Still, mustn't grumble, get back up if you tumble. Keep bumping good music and always stay humble. And forwards is the only direction you'll find me walking. The day I turn around's the day the dead start talking. I'm focused on sorting through all these thoughts I've been hoarding. I'm the type to write all night and then record in the morning. Dedicated to the art, I don't want to live the star life. I'd rather spit some bars outside the spar in the starlight. I left who I used to be far behind in a past life. I smash mics free of charge as long as you ask nice. Fucking image, I came to drop some lyrics. I'm bored of your ego, bro, so show me your spirit. And scripted, I flip it like a fish out of liquid. So ridiculously sick, I make these kids want to quit this. And where's the fun in running from something that might be bluffing? I ain't huffing and puffing for nothing, fuck whatever's coming. My mind's rushing, I burst off making rhymes. Life's on a nice vibe, so don't piss on my sunshine. I'm going to do one more before Leah comes on. I was going to do something new and sketchy, but I think I'm just going to do like my shoplifting thing. It's just another day in the life of a tea leaf. Just another raise in the eyes of a thief. I'm king of the lifters, this shit ain't new to me. I'm a light-fingered ninja with a knife for opportunity. I'm swift when I pinch, the way I lift shit's a gift. I could nick a Snickers in the time it takes you to blink. I ain't spending no cash on this packet of Jacobs, and you know that my girlfriend don't pay for no makeup. If I want it, Fuck it, it's going in my pocket. Why pay for my shopping when I can just rob it? My friends say I've lost it and beg me to stop it, but I was sent to put a dent in Morrison's profit.
Go!
Watch out!
Tesco's most wanted. Customers hate me and I only go to Waitrose to make the fat bloke chase me. Call me crazy, but when currency fails me, it's the 5-finger discount that always seems to save me. And that's why I got a bag full of swag and a shoplifter's smile. Peeling off security tags as I wander the aisles. I got a bag full of swag and a shoplifter's smile. Cause paying for my items is just not my style. Yo. Chilling in HMV, seeing what I can feed, but the security guard keeps looking over at me. There's a CD down my trousers, a pair of beats up my sleeve, and you know I'm gonna steal some DVDs before I leave. I'm a great believer in stealing from IKEA. When I'm browsing the shelves, they have no idea there's a flat pack in my backpacks and batteries in my jacket. Pops are popping everything in such handy packets. If I don't really need it, I'll steal it anyway. If I can get away with it, there's no way I'm gonna pay. And I offer no apology for this hobby of mine, cause these shops are more than happy to keep robbing me blind. So if I like it, I'm more than likely to swipe it. I was born with luck and I'm not afraid to try it. I'd rather take the risk than pay these fucking prices, cause I die a bit inside every time I have to buy shit. I got a bag full of swag and a shoplifter's smile. Peeling off security tags as I wander the aisles. I got a bag full of swag and a shoplifter's smile. Cause paying for my items is just not my style. Thank you.